The Hunter and the Pigeon. Moral story. One day, a hunter sets a net to catch birds and places grains and rice over the net. After some time, a flock of pigeons come by and started eating grains and catched in the net. After some time, they started losing hope. Then their leader asked them to fly together up in the sky. They did as they were told and carried the net away. The hunter runs after them, but they flew away to their friend Mouse hole. The mouse cuts the net and freed the pigeons. The moral of the story is unity is strength.